The psychology of success: unlocking your full potential. What separates those who achieve extraordinary success from those who don't? Is it intelligence, luck, or simply hard work? While these factors play a role, the foundation of success lies in one's mindset and psychological approach to challenges and opportunities. Let's dive deep into the psychology of success and explore how you can harness the power of your mind to reach your full potential. One of the most critical factors in success is adopting a growth mindset. Coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, a growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This contrasts with a fixed mindset, which assumes talents are innate and unchangeable. Here's how a growth mindset impacts your success: embracing challenges. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Instead of avoiding difficult tasks, they lean into them. Resilience. A growth mindset fosters resilience, allowing you to bounce back from failures and setbacks with renewed determination. Continuous learning. By believing that improvement is always possible, you're more likely to seek out opportunities to learn and grow. How to develop a growth mindset. Reframe failures as learning experiences. Celebrate effort and progress, not just outcomes. Surround yourself with people who encourage growth and learning. Emotional intelligence is often more important than IQ when it comes to achieving success. EQ is your ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions while effectively navigating the emotions of others. High EQ contributes to better relationships, leadership skills, and decision-making. Key components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness. Understanding your emotions and how they influence your actions. Self-regulation. Managing your emotions, especially in high-pressure situations. Empathy. Understanding and valuing others' perspectives. Social skills. Building strong relationships and communicating effectively. Boost your emotional intelligence. Practice mindfulness to enhance self-awareness. Respond thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Engage in active listening to improve empathy. Success isn't a straight path, it's filled with obstacles and failures. Resilience is your ability to recover from setbacks and keep moving forward. Psychologists describe resilience as a blend of mental toughness, optimism, and adaptability. How to build resilience. Focus on your why. A strong sense of purpose can keep you motivated during tough times. Learn optimism. Replace negative self-talk with empowering beliefs. Develop coping strategies. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or seeking support from others, find healthy ways to manage stress. Visualization is a powerful psychological tool used by high achievers, from athletes to entrepreneurs. When you vividly imagine your success, your brain activates neural patterns similar to those used during actual performance. This primes your mind for achievement. Effective visualization tips. Be specific. Visualize the details of your goals. Engage your senses to make the experience feel real. Pair visualization with action. Use it to reinforce your daily efforts. Alongside visualization, set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Clear goals provide direction and motivation. Self-discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. It's your ability to stay consistent even when motivation wanes. Psychologically, self-discipline is tied to delaying gratification and maintaining focus. Tips for strengthening self-discipline. Break tasks into small steps. Tackling smaller chunks reduces overwhelm and builds momentum. Reward yourself. Celebrate milestones to keep yourself motivated. Eliminate temptations. Create an environment that supports your goals. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring challenges, but approaching them with an optimistic and solution-focused mindset. Studies show that positivity enhances problem-solving, creativity, and overall well-being. Cultivate positivity. Start a gratitude journal to focus on the good in your life. Surround yourself with uplifting influences such as supportive people and inspiring content. Practice affirmations to rewire your thought patterns. All the psychological tools in the world won't work unless you take action. Fear of failure often holds people back, but the key is to act despite uncertainty. Psychologist Mel Robbins' 5-second rule, counting down from 5 and then taking immediate action, is a great way to break through hesitation. Remember, action creates momentum. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Learn from doing, not just planning. By understanding and applying the psychology of success, you can unlock your full potential and create the life you desire. Remember, success is not just about talent or luck. It's about cultivating the right mindset, emotional intelligence, and resilience to turn dreams into reality. Start your journey today.